are extremely excited to kickstart a new journey as part of the Public Policy Club at IIM Ahmedabad. After the tremendous success of the Manthan Speaker Series, we would like to bring you all a new podcast series called PPP or Public Policy Podcast. In keeping with the theme, we are going to discuss public policy issues with professionals, professors, and social activists who are driving change on the ground. Today, we are going to kick off this session with a person the entire IIM Ahmedabad community admires and adores, and not just IIM Ahmedabad, but the whole of India. We have with us Professor Anu Gupta, Indian scholar and Padma Shri awardee, who has been working in the area of grassroots innovations for more than 3 decades. He is the founder of the Honeybee Network, a global informal network to give voice, visibility, and velocity to strengthen grassroots technological innovations and outstanding traditional knowledge. Its mission is to help India and the world become a creative and knowledge-based society by expanding policy and institutional space for grassroots technological innovators. The Honeybee Network has set up 3 institutions, vis-a-vis Shrishti, GR, and the National Innovation Foundation, which is part of DST, part of Government of India. Professor Gupta retired as a full-time professor at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, in 2017, where he served for about 36 years. He is a visiting faculty at the institute now. He held an executive vice chair at the National Innovation Foundation, where he is a member of its governing board now. He is also a fellow of the World Academy of Art and Science, besides NAAS and INSA. He is currently advising and teaching online courses to the global network of UNDP Innovation Acceleration Network in 78 countries for mapping and tapping grassroots innovations. So without any further ado, I would like to start the session, which will be in the form of a Q&A, which we have received from different stakeholders in the IIM fraternity. So without any further ado, I would like to pass on the stage to Dhruv to kickstart the podcast with the first question.